Good afternoon, students. 12th Commerce. Last class we have studied steps in promoting an entrepreneurial venture. This 5 topic already over. Today's 6th one is preparation of project report. Preparation of project report. Project report needs to be prepared according to the format prescribed in the loan application form from term lending institution. An entrepreneur can get the report prepared either by technical consultancy organization or by auditor or by consultant or by development agencies. This report should cover aspects like sources of finance and technical know-how, sources of labor and raw material, market potential, and profitability. The project report should including the following. Project report compulsory. First, you some promoting rules and regulation means some select the product and select the place and select the ownership, capital structure, and which product you produce, which goods is you produce. That is main content. Finally, preparation one project report. The project report is prepared by board of directors. The project report is the which how much of capital you want, which good you produce. Some project report is preparation. The project report preparation including like financial, technical, raw materials, laborers, potential, profitability. This content its report should be followed. Some followed. First one is technical feasibilities. It should mention the following: description, product and specifications, raw material availability, raw materials availability, manufacturing process, quality control measures, availability of water, power, transport and communication facilities. So important technical facilities is very important. This manufacturing, raw material availability, water, transport, power and communication is a very important. Communication is very important means one producer and customers is consumers is easy to link the product mean communication only. Next one, economic viability. It essentially involves an complication of the demand for domestic and exports market, installed capacity of machines, market share and revenue expected and suitable price structure is main economic viability. The essential involves of the complications of demand of domestic or international level, this capacity of the machine, market share and revenue and suitable price structure. This is a very important. Next one, financial viability. It should be cover aspects of like non-recurring cost. Non-recurring cost is that is fixed cost. This cost is many times again not for again and again purchase is fixed. One time you purchase means long time only. Next time on long period only and again one time purchase. That is non-recurring. The cost of land, building, land is again and again would not purchase. That is fixed asset. One or two times only purchase, building, plant and machinery, etc. Recurring expense like wages, salary and overheads, etc. This is routine process. Next one, probable cost of production, profit of expert sales. That is financial viability. Next one is managerial expectancy. The managerial means what? Managerial means that is efficient person manage a company, that is manage efficient person. Entrepreneur also include the mechanism for managing the venture in the project report. In the case of small size venture, the owner or partners may take care of managerial activity while a team of managerial personnel is to be brought in for managing the various managerial position across different level of management. In the case of corporate from the organization, he has to provide a details of the organizational structure and contemplate in the project report or implementing the venture. The managerial competency. The managerial means efficient person. Managerial person is efficient person only. Management. The efficient person is managing various managerial position. A different level of management is the case of corporate from the organization. This project report is or implementing the venture. The managerial person says some project report. Project report means preparation of project report is very important only. First, project report means first that works before starting. This project report is preparation. Next one, provisional registration certificate. Provisional registration certificate. Entrepreneur has to apply for provisional registration certificate if will be issued to the entrepreneur after the fulfillment of certain conditions for a period 1 year subject of renewal of 2 periods of 6 month duration. In entrepreneur is not able to commence production beyond the extension period. Further extension will not be guaranteed. Listen students, provisional registration certificate. The provisional registration certificate only, that certificate is a temporarily that period, that 2 years or 1.5 years only this valuable certificate. After is permanent registration certificate only is very important certificate, but the provisional registration certificate is a only temporary certificate only. Next one, permanent registration certificate. Once the venture has commenced a production or when it is ready to commence a production, it is eligible to get a permanent registration certificate. Next one, statutory license. License is a very important only. License is each and every year renewal is compulsory. The renewal is this year each and every year is 1 year you not renewal means company or some organization, anything else, government seal only after fine amount you pay only you open the organization. Entrepreneur has to obtain a municipal license from the authority concerned. Compulsory each and every company's local municipal corporation is licensed from the authorized person. Next one. Then the entrepreneur has to register the unit of the central and state tax department. If unit come within the provisions of Factories Act, he and she has to register it with inspector of the factories, or it has to register the unit under the shapes of Establishment Act. Listen students, statutory license is a very important compulsory each and every company's local municipal authorized person compulsory you permission in license. Next, the license license is renewal is very important. Next, the sales tax, central government or central or state government tax is a very important. Tax is the sales tax is compulsory. Some entrepreneurs paying sales tax. Next, sales tax and income tax. Next one is power connection. Entrepreneur has to make application to Assistant Divisional Engineer of State Electricity Board power connection after the paying security deposit. Security deposit means that is some household also say security deposit in electricity board is compulsory. Household use means the electricity is compulsory in some initial amount in deposit. Same organization or entrepreneur industrial and enterprises means compulsory. That amount is initial deposit is compulsory. Initial security deposit is compulsory and fulfilling the official formalities prescribed. This is additional assistant of divisional engineer. The state electricity board is paying some security deposit. Next one, arrangement of financing. Some financing a long time finance, some finance is a short period of finance. Entrepreneurs require two types of finance, namely long term and short term. While a long term requirements or needs for acquiring a fixed asset. Long term financial is some purchasing some fixed asset. Short term requirement admin the meeting of working capital needs. Entrepreneur has to bring the promoters contributions prescribed by financial agencies. Promotes contributions of prescribed by some financial nowadays so many financial agencies in voluntary voluntary involvement in entrepreneurs financial help. Voluntary help in entrepreneurs. There is so much of financial banks in nowadays private banks is so much private banks is providing entrepreneurial development some financial helping. Okay students, this lesson over. This topic is steps in promoting an entrepreneur venture. Listen students, this lesson is very important. This lesson very easy only. Listen in discussing some one words in this lesson. Listen students, each and every day you read students this lesson that week complete means the day this lesson each and everybody thorough these lessons. Time is very precious only. Do not waste your time, students. You 12th standard students, listen students. In discuss in one word, choose the correct answer. Dash is initiative was launched to modernize in the Indian economy to make all government service available and electronically in digital India. Digital India means is most important in only in electronical, electrical or electronical. Some changes. Dash is the design to transform India to global designs and manufacturing hub. Is Make in India. Next one. Dash is the government of India endeavor to promote a culture of innovation and entrepreneurship is young. Next one. Dash should cover aspects like sources of finance, technical know-how, sources of labor and raw material, market potential and profitability, that is project report. Next one, dash has to include the mechanism for managing the venture in the project report. Entrepreneur. Listen students, this lesson very important. Note it down students. This lesson easy. Discuss preparation of project report, steps, promoting entrepreneur venture, any 5 government entrepreneurial scheme is first one is very important. Listen students, each day you read in at least 10 questions or 15 questions or some 5 questions you read. Compulsory you read. Listen students, do not waste your time. This lesson very easy only. You again and again you watch this lesson means is very easy only. Okay students, next class we will discuss next one new topic. Okay, listen students, this lesson so many one words and 2 marks in inside question already. Which question is inside question already I discussed. Okay students, tomorrow next class we will discuss next one new topic. Okay, thank you students.